Welcome to Initial Speed. We are going to start a new segment, and it is where I get to ramble on about Formula One. This segment is going to be called One Fan's Opinion. Let's get into this. Alright, so this weekend coming, we've got the first F1 race of the season. Yes, for 2025, baby. Let's go! I'm anticipating a whole lot of interesting things this season. One, I believe, since Lando Norris, Mr. McLaren, has come into Formula One, after his first season, I really thought that he's the next big one. He's the next named person to step up. But we will see what happens, because I anticipate him being among the top three drivers for this season. Mark my words. Max Verstappen. Let's see how much he cries this season if things don't go his way. He seems to cry a lot. I mean, give him his flowers when he deserves it, but anyway, we'll get into that later in the season. In 2023, when Angela, his physiotherapist and pretty good friend, left, I was a little confused, but I thought, we all need a little bit of break sometimes. Then last year, the beginning of 2024, when the leak came out that Lewis Hamilton was moving to Ferrari, about a week after that announcement, I started thinking, I wonder if she's going to come back, and came back. Lewis has been pulling people from all over. He wants this 8th win. Well, in my mind, 9th win, because the 8th one was robbed by Red Bull. But we'll get into that at some point. Hamilton. I personally don't expect any major wins from Hamilton for at least a year. I'm not expecting him to do anything phenomenal until 2026, just because of the whole, you've got to gel with your team. And yes, he's brought most of his team from Mercedes over, but he's also brought some other people in, as well as Ferrari has their own group of people. At the earliest, I expect to see Hamilton maybe at the midway point of this season. Ferrari, as far as I understand, is giving him 2 races to get his stuff together and start producing. After that announcement last year of Ferrari taking Hamilton on, or Hamilton taking Ferrari on, their stock prices soared. So even financially speaking, even if Hamilton doesn't produce a championship, Ferrari has already made back their money and then some. These sponsors are jumping on board. From what I understand, HP has signed for $1.5 million a season just to have their name on the car and Hamilton representing them. That is basically what Ferrari made in the Constructors' Championship position. I think they came in, 2nd or 3rd last season? So in the 1 month, Ferrari has made the same amount of money that they made all season. Ferrari is winning. They are winning. I would love to see what Hamilton can produce road-wise, because every major driver helps Ferrari produce a halo car. Curious to see what Hamilton can help bring to the table. Mick Schumacher may be coming back to Formula One. Michael Schumacher's son. That could be very interesting. He had a little taste, 2023? Let's see if he's learned anything between then and now. And which team will he be racing for? I'm not sure just yet. We'll have to wait and see, right? Daniel Ricciardo. I like Daniel. He brings the joy back into Formula One. He's a character and a half. Let's see what else you can do. Let's see what's left in the tank for you, bud. Let's start off with who is on which team this season. Pierre Gasly and Jack Doohan look like they're going to be racing for Alpine this season. Lance Stroll and Fernando Alonso will be racing for Aston Martin. Charles Leclerc, or Charles Leclerc as the English call him, and Lewis Hamilton for Ferrari. Esteban Ocon and Oliver Berman will be racing for Haas. Nico Hockenberg and Gabriel Bartolo will be racing for Kick Sauber. I think I screwed up that name. I messed up his name. Sorry there, bud. Oscar Piastri and Lando Norris will be racing for McLaren. George Russell and Antonelli will be racing for Mercedes. We've got Harjar and Yuki Tsunoda racing for Racing Bulls. Max Verstappen and Liam Lawson racing for Red Bull Racing. Alexander Albon and Carlos Sainz will be racing for Williams. Who do you have your eye on? Who's your money on for a season win? I hope you enjoy this new segment. Let us know down below what you're thinking. Is there anything in particular you would like me to cover? Thank you for watching, and let's go! Formula One is back! This weekend, Formula One is in Australia. That's the first race for 2025. Let's see what everyone has done over the break, what the teams have cooked up. Yeah, I'm excited. Are you excited? Let's go! And I mean, I'll be giving this to you, as straightforward as possible, because I mean, I'm not biased. I don't have a favorite team at all. So, who do you think is going to win? Again, I have my predictions, but I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag just yet. Here's a question. Who will Ferrari push forward? I mean, Charles Leclerc is their golden boy at the moment, but they did bring in an 8-time world champion. And the reason I say 8 is because the 8th was stolen. That was very unfair. For those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, go back in history. Take a look at how, Hamilton was screwed out of that 8th position, or that 8th win. Oh well, let's see what happens. Let's go.